We have bats. Oh, there goes one.
God, that came straight to the light. Babe, get the light on.
It's a bit chilly, isn't it? Anyway, we've been nominated by Waggies Travels to do a 40 question challenge.
And as it's Halloween, we thought we'd incorporate a look. So, shall we start?
Let's start.
Let's see how quickly we can go through these. 40 questions. 1. Do you like blue cheese?
Yes.
No. 2. Coke or Pepsi?
Neither. Coffee or beer?
3. In a relationship?
Yes.
Married. 4. Whiskey, tequila or vodka?
Well, if you'd have asked me a year ago, it would have been whiskey, but I had quite a bad experience.
Oh yes. In Katie, wasn't it?
Yes.
Seriously bad, yeah. Sat on the front step at about 3 o'clock in the morning, rocking away. Couldn't even, well, just so drunk, weren't you? Tried to chuck a blanket out at him. He just put it round his neck, saying it was cold. Yeah. That's a whole different story.
It wasn't good.
It wasn't good, was it? Number 5, hot dog or cheeseburger?
For me, cheeseburger.
I'd say cheeseburger too. 6, favourite food?
Ooh, for me, it's got to be spaghetti carbonara.
Ooh, nice. And mine has to be the steak with peppercorn sauce, because that's what Andy wooed me with all those years ago. 14 years ago, wasn't it?
Yeah, steak tonight, citizen.
No, it's Chinese tonight. Number 7, what do you drink in the morning?
Oh, I need a kickstart, so for me, it's got to be a strong coffee.
Me too, definitely a latte. Love a latte in the morning. Number 8, can you do 100 push-ups?
Well, I can, but not in one go, so it'd probably take me about three tries.
How many do you think you could do in one go?
50.
50. I could do 100, yes, but I'd probably say I could do at a push 20 off my knees, and then I do the rest.
Does that count?
Okay then, 10 off my knees. Definitely. Number 9, favourite season. Oh, I definitely know this one. Autumn. I love the autumn colours. They're my favourite. All the reds and oranges. Beautiful. Love them. What about you?
See, I like winter for skiing, but really for me it's got to be summer, because it's summer when you can sit outside the motorhome and enjoy a beer.
Yeah, yeah. Number 10, favourite hobby?
Well, motorhoming.
Yeah, and hiking.
Travelling, hiking, editing.
Anything outdoorsy really, isn't
it?
As long as we're not from a bungee jump. Number 11, tattoos?
No.
Oh no, no way. 12, do you wear glasses?
Yes.
Blind as a bat, aren't you?
Not blind as a bat.
That's why you're with me. I don't wear glasses. I'm not at that age
It's
yet.
only a matter of time.
Yeah, I know. Phobias. I know what mine is.
Oh, mine's go on.
Jellyfish. Oh my god. Even a plastic bag in the sea, I consider a jellyfish, and I'll scream the whole beach down. Not good with jellyfish.
Mine's you in a bad mood. Which doesn't happen very often.
Just rude. So paying for that one. Nicknames.
For you?
Yeah.
I'll call you Babe.
Ah. And Andy is Trumpy. Trumpy Barnett. Often go on our walks and Trumpy Barnett comes out with us.
Hey. Right, I'm going to change mine then.
No, that's how you really have one choice.
I'm going to let some more secrets out.
Question 15. Favourite candy?
No, I don't like candy really.
I like sweeties. I like squishes. They're really nice. I like the drumsticks, but they're really squishy. I like those. I do like sweeties.
I like chocolate, but that's not really candy, is it?
No. No. Do you believe in ghosts?
Ooh. Wow.
Well, yeah, I do. because we're considering moving house. Well, we are definitely moving house, aren't we? And I keep looking at houses and thinking, oh, I wonder if there's any ghosts in that house, because I've always owned a brand new house and we want something cottagey. So yeah, I believe in ghosts, and I just hope there's definitely something, isn't there?
I can feel something actually in the air right now. Maybe it's because it's Halloween or something, but
yeah, well, that chill hasn't gone yet, has it? Just feels like you're being watched or something, don't you? I don't know if it's because it's Halloween, like you say.
probably doesn't help with all these scary things
Spooky
around us.
things. Okay, number 17, we're whizzing through these. Biggest downfall. Well, I know what mine is. Mine is when I left school, I wanted to go to drama college, and I've always wanted to be on the TV. And so I really miss it, and I didn't. I was too late because we were moving house, and I was moving up to the Midlands, and I didn't get in, so I was going to have to wait a year. So I ended up working for Next. And then I got into retail, which is a bit boring really, isn't it? Have my own business, and so yeah, but I really miss my vacation. I think I should have been on the telly.
So
Play school.
So mine is, I had a really the first time I ever bought anything from Amazon, I thought, wow, what a great experience that was. If I'd have bought shares then, I'd be a millionaire now.
Yeah, definitely. Oh my gosh, yeah, could you imagine?
Yeah.
Billionaire, I think you'd be, not a millionaire. The shares on Amazon. Okay, question number 18. Rain or snow?
Oh, snow.
Snow. Rain. Hate rain. It's actually currently raining now and very windy.
Yeah.
Snow's beautiful. Snow angels.
And you can ski on snow.
You can snee.
You can't ski on rain.
No. Yeah, ski. Missed that, haven't you?
Uh-huh.
Missed in your skiing. 19, piercings.
No.
Yes. And I was having my belly button pierced because we've got 4 children. When we all went on holiday, I was like, I don't want to look really old like a grandma. I want to look young, so I had my belly button pierced. And I actually, funny story, very quickly, when I had it done, because I've got a massive fear of blood, and said I wanted my belly button pierced. She did that, and she said, "Oh, it looks really good." I looked down, literally passed out. I just went, "Ugh," and when I woke up, Mars bar in my mouth. Honestly, trying to give me something sweet to try and pick me round. And I had a shower for about 5 days after. I had a shower, couldn't even look at it. I was just mortified. You were shocked, weren't you, when I'd done it?
Yeah.
Like, I can't believe you've done it. There we go. Little short story.
Wasn't that short?
Okay. You're in so much trouble, Barney. 20. Age.
I'm the same age as Kylie Minogue.
And I'm in my 40s. That's as much as you're getting. 21. French fries or onion rings?
French fries for me.
French fries, definitely. 22. Kids?
Yes, I have 2, not with Michelle.
No, and I have 2. And yours are... How old are yours?
Oh, I'm not going to say.
Much older than mine. Mine is 16 and 21. And yours is... One of them's nearly 30. How old are you?
Same age as Kylie. She's doing all right.
She's a babe. 23. Favourite colour?
Blue.
Blue for me too.
Oh.
Bit Leicester City. 24. Can you sing?
No.
I always sing on our travels in the motorhome, and I cannot sing for Toffee. But I give it a go.
Yeah, thank God for editing software that can take out the audio.
25. Can you whistle? Very good.
Can you?
Not really. It's not very
Have a
good.
go.
I can whistle. I can't do that any whistle though. Yeah. Do a little campus doer. Sucky whistle they call
That
it.
was a sucky whistle.
Sucky whistle. It's a new word. It's going to be in the dictionary. 26. Where were you born? I was born in Staffordshire.
I'm born in Derbyshire.
27. Siblings. 1 sister. That's plenty.
1 brother and 1 sister.
And my sister's younger than me. God, she's 12. No, she's not. 28. Can you cook? Well, I have to say, I do not like cooking, I like baking. But since lockdown started, I have started using lots and lots of fresh ingredients. And I actually really enjoy cooking now. So we get some really good meals, don't we?
Yeah.
I'd like to think they're good.
And I like cooking as well.
Yeah, you're a really good cook. You're very good. 29. Can you swim?
I can swim.
You're like a fish out of water, aren't you? You're
It's
so
been a bit
fast.
difficult for the last 8 months with COVID and etc. I think I've only been swimming once, but bizarrely on that one swimming day, I actually went 4 times because I went 3 times in 3 different lakes and in the swimming pool on site in Germany.
I can, but I'm not a strong swimmer. 30, are you religious?
No.
Not really. 31, shower or bath?
Oh, shower.
Shower, feel fresher. 32, big city or out in nature?
Oh.
Hello.
Don't you fancy that one?
Definitely nature. 33, are you a good friend?
Yes, I'm a good friend. I care about people.
Yeah, I think you are. Well, we both are, aren't we? We are
Yeah.
good friends. We're very good listeners as well. We're always like there as a shoulder to cry on, and yeah. Our glass is always half full, isn't it? Not half empty. So yeah, I think we're very positive. I like to think so. 34, broken bones?
One. Quite embarrassing, really.
Oh yeah.
My little toe. It was painful though, but yeah.
Such a man, isn't he, with his little toe?
The worst thing is, we're on holiday and Michelle, we were going up a mountain. Michelle didn't wait for me. She just went straight up the mountain. I had like my sticks going along with my broken toe.
They weren't sticks. They weren't like
Poles.
actual. Yeah, they were
Walking
walking poles.
Yeah.
You're making it sound like they're ones from hospital, like you were really badly injured.
It
Your
was.
little toe.
If anybody's ever broken their little toe, they'll know it hurts.
Oh, apologies, baby. 35. How many TVs do you own?
5, 6.
5, I think. Yeah.
I've got one in Katie as well. So.
Yeah. Maybe about 6 then, isn't it? That's really bad. We don't actually watch that much TV though, do we?
No.
36. Worst pain ever. Or definitely, I'm sure a lot of women would agree with me. Childbirth. Most horrendous thing, and I've done it twice.
Yeah.
All naturally. OMG.
Only second to a broken toe.
37. Do you like to dance? I love dancing. In fact, another little unknown fact is I used to do disco dancing with all the glitter and stuff properly, and I got a proper little bronze medal for mine when I was about 12. Get me?
Oh, I like to dance, but I haven't got any medals. I only dance after a few beers as well.
Yeah. 38. Do you like camping?
I do. I like camping.
Well, we actually started off, didn't we? Camping all the time. And I did like camping up until, was it April of this year, when I did the NHS camp out and we put the tent in the garden. We'll put a photograph on actually because it looked really good, didn't it? We got the burner out and everything. But during the night, at about 2 o'clock in the morning, Andy's fast asleep. I'm still wide awake because I was freezing cold. There was a rustling and Andy had left the inner part for the bedroom open, and I am almost certain a rat was on my leg moving around. And I told Andy in the morning, he was like, no, it can't have been. Literally the day after, we saw a
found a
rat
rat
in the garden going across. So, and we live quite near a little river, don't we? So it's not a river, is it? What's it called?
Brook.
A brook. We live near the brook. So there was a rat there. So I am like 100% positive. It was definitely Roland Rat sat there on my knee having a little dance.
So you don't like rats?
Don't like rats, and I don't like camping anymore. At least in Katie, I can lock the doors
Right,
and there's no naughtiness.
It's a good job there's no rats in Katie then.
Yeah, apart from this fake one, I don't mind him because he's not moving anywhere. Right, number 39. Are you weird?
No.
I think people would say we're bonkers. We are definitely bonkers. We think we're a little bit crazy. But who wants to be normal? Not us.
We have our own ways and things, don't we?
Yeah, not weird though.
No.
You know, nice. We're just crazy. Question 40, last one. Who are you nominating?
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Yee.
I think our next victim should be...
No, not victim.
Okay, sorry, not Halloween.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think we'd like to nominate Texla,
Alex.
Yeah. I think Caravan in the Coxes, although I'm sure they've already been nominated, and Toner on Tour. That would be good. And I'd also like to nominate the Caravan Nut, Martin. There we have it. There's our 40 questions answered in full. Okay, so goodbye.
Bye.